The Celestial Symphony. In the heart of a small village nestled between rolling hills and whispering forests, there lived a young boy named Lucas. Lucas was unlike the other children in the village, for he possessed a deep fascination with the natural world and an insatiable curiosity about the stars that adorned the night sky. From an early age, Lucas would often wander away from the village paths, drawn to the serene solitude of the surrounding countryside where he could lay on the soft grass and gaze up at the vast expanse of the heavens. Lucas's favorite spot was a secluded clearing nestled amidst ancient oak trees. It was here, under the canopy of 1,000 shimmering stars, that he felt most at peace. The universe seemed to speak to him in whispers carried on the gentle breeze, sharing its secrets and mysteries with a kindred spirit. One clear summer night, as Lucas lay gazing at the constellations, a shooting star streaked across the sky like a silver arrow. He closed his eyes and made a silent wish, a wish that echoed in the depths of his soul. He wished to understand the language of the stars, to unravel the secrets hidden within their twinkling lights. Little did Lucas know, his wish would soon lead him on a journey beyond his wildest dreams. The following day, while exploring the village library, Lucas stumbled upon an old, dusty book tucked away on a forgotten shelf. Its weathered pages were adorned with intricate illustrations of celestial bodies, constellations, and the legends of ancient astronomers who had mapped the heavens with wonder and awe. Eagerly, Lucas pored over the pages, absorbing the knowledge like a thirsty sponge. He learned about the patterns of the stars, the movements of planets, and the myths that ancient civilizations had woven into the tapestry of the night sky. The more he read, the more his curiosity grew, fueling a desire to explore beyond the boundaries of his quiet village. One evening, during a village festival celebrating the harvest moon, Lucas met an elderly astronomer named Professor Orion. Professor Orion was renowned for his deep knowledge of the stars and his passion for sharing their stories with anyone who would listen. Intrigued by Lucas's keen interest, Professor Orion took him under his wing as his apprentice. Together, they spent countless nights beneath the starry canopy, mapping constellations, tracking the movements of planets, and discussing the cosmic dance that unfolded above them. Under the mentorship of Professor Orion, Lucas's understanding of the universe blossomed like a flower under the nourishing rays of the sun. He learned to recognize the subtle melodies hidden within the Celestial Symphony, the harmonious interplay of gravity, light, and time that shaped the cosmos. As the seasons passed, Lucas's reputation as a young astronomer grew. Villagers sought his guidance on matters of planting crops according to lunar cycles, navigating by the stars during night journeys, and interpreting the celestial signs that foretold the changing of the seasons. One fateful night, as Lucas and Professor Orion observed a rare comet blazing across the sky, Lucas felt a profound sense of gratitude and wonder. He realized that his journey had not only been about unraveling the mysteries of the stars but also about discovering the true essence of connection to the universe, to nature, and to the people who shared his passion and curiosity. Years later, Lucas stood at the top of his favorite hill, now a seasoned astronomer with a heart full of memories and wisdom. He gazed up at the familiar constellations that had guided him through countless nights of discovery and contemplation. In that moment, Lucas understood that the language of the stars was not merely written in light and shadow but echoed in the quiet whispers of the human spirit. A timeless symphony that connected all beings, from the smallest blade of grass to the farthest reaches of the cosmos. And as Lucas smiled up at the stars, he knew that his journey had only just begun. That there were still countless stars to be observed, mysteries to be unraveled, and stories to be shared under the infinite expanse of the night sky. For Lucas had discovered that in the pursuit of knowledge and understanding, the greatest treasures were found not in distant galaxies or ancient texts but in the boundless depths of the human heart, where dreams took flight and the universe sang its eternal song of wonder and awe. As the seasons changed and Lucas grew older, his passion for astronomy only deepened. He began to document his observations in a journal, meticulously recording the positions of stars, the phases of the moon, and the occasional appearance of comets and meteor showers. His writings became a chronicle of the celestial events that painted the night sky, a testament to his dedication and reverence for the cosmos. During the day, Lucas would often wander through the village, sharing his knowledge with curious children and eager adults alike. He became known as the Star Scholar, a title bestowed upon him by the villagers who admired his wisdom and humility. Lucas took great joy in teaching others about the wonders of the universe, igniting sparks of curiosity and wonder in the hearts of those who listened. One winter evening, a traveling storyteller arrived in the village, a wanderer who regaled audiences with tales of mythical creatures, epic adventures, and the mysteries of the cosmos. Intrigued by Lucas's reputation, the storyteller sought him out, hoping to learn more about the constellations and their significance in the lore of the village. Lucas welcomed the storyteller into his modest home, where they spent hours immersed in conversation. The storyteller shared tales of ancient civilizations that had worshipped the stars as gods, of heroic quests guided by celestial navigation, and of the legends that had been passed down through generations. In return, Lucas recounted his own journey of discovery, the nights spent under the starry sky, the lessons learned from Professor Orion, and the profound sense of connection he felt with the universe. The storyteller listened intently, captivated by Lucas's words and the passion that illuminated his face like starlight. As the evening drew to a close, the storyteller thanked Lucas for sharing his wisdom and invited him to join a journey beyond the village. To travel to distant lands where the night sky unfolded in unfamiliar constellations and where new stories waited to be written among the stars. Lucas hesitated at first, torn between his deep-rooted love for the village that had nurtured him and the allure of distant horizons. But in his heart, he knew that the universe was vast and boundless, filled with endless possibilities and untold wonders waiting to be discovered. With a bittersweet farewell to the village that had shaped him, Lucas embarked on a new chapter of his journey. A journey that would take him across deserts and mountains, through bustling cities and serene wilderness, in search of knowledge, adventure, and the timeless beauty of the night sky. Along the way, Lucas encountered fellow travelers who shared his passion for astronomy and storytelling. Together, they explored ancient observatories carved into mountainsides, studied manuscripts that held secrets of the stars, and exchanged tales of celestial wonders witnessed in distant lands. Through these experiences, Lucas deepened his understanding of the interconnectedness of cultures and civilizations, a tapestry woven by the threads of starlight that bridged continents and spanned centuries. He learned that while languages and customs varied from place to place, the language of the stars transcended barriers of time and distance, speaking to the universal longing for meaning and connection. Years passed, and Lucas's travels took him to the farthest reaches of the globe. He marveled at the sight of the Milky Way stretching across desert skies, witnessed the shimmering dance of the aurora borealis above Arctic landscapes, and stood in awe beneath the Southern Cross in the Southern Hemisphere. Throughout his journeys, Lucas continued to document his observations in his journal, capturing moments of celestial beauty and the stories that unfolded beneath the stars. His writings became a testament to the richness and diversity of human experience, a mosaic of cultures, beliefs, and dreams illuminated by the shared wonder of the cosmos. As Lucas reflected on his travels, he realized that each encounter, each discovery, had shaped him in profound ways. He had learned not only about the stars and their mysteries but also about the resilience of the human spirit, the power of curiosity, and the bonds that connected people across continents and generations. One night, while camping beneath a canopy of stars in a remote corner of the world, Lucas found himself surrounded by a group of children who had gathered to listen to his stories. Their eyes sparkled with wonder as he pointed out constellations and shared tales of ancient astronomers who had charted the heavens with awe and reverence. Lucas smiled as he watched the children's faces light up with excitement and curiosity. He realized that he had come full circle, that his journey had come not only to explore the outer reaches of the universe but also to inspire the next generation of dreamers, explorers, and storytellers. And as Lucas gazed up at the familiar constellations that had guided him through countless nights of discovery and contemplation, he felt a deep sense of gratitude and fulfillment. He knew that his journey had been more than a quest for knowledge, it had been a journey of the heart, where dreams took flight and the universe sang its eternal song of wonder and awe. For Lucas had discovered that in the pursuit of understanding, the greatest treasures were found not in distant galaxies or ancient texts but in the boundless depths of the human spirit. Where stories intertwined like constellations in the night sky, weaving a tapestry of beauty, mystery, and infinite possibility. And as Lucas continued to share his passion for astronomy and storytelling with the world, he knew that his journey would continue to unfold beneath the timeless canopy of stars. A journey guided by curiosity, fueled by wonder, and illuminated by the celestial symphony that echoed in the hearts of all who dared to look up and dream. The end.